welcome to my channel Girishma's Wholesome Ideas. In this video, I'm going to show you the tools required for making a jewelry in a very simple way. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to make an earrings using these tools what I'll be showing in this video today. So if you want to know where I'll be purchasing these tools from, it's from Chickpet, Raja Market. So if you want to buy in a bulk, you can buy it in a very low price. So for further more videos, hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.
This is a very main tool used for making jewelry. The first tool is a cutter, which is used for forming a loop at end of a wire and form a variety of bends in a wire. It is also a twister tool. This is a gold wire or a jewelry wire, which is very thin. Well, most of them use aluminium or thick copper wires. And a plain stocking cloth, which is used for making an earring. With the help of that golden wire, which is thin, this stocking cloth earring is made. You can just see the texture of that stocking cloth, and it is available in many colors. I have taken the dark colored stocking cloth for bright earrings. It is a golden color small plastic bead. It is also known as star chakri or bead spacer for jewelry designing and decorating. And there are so many bead caps like antique gold or silver, antique gold multiple. Among them, this is a golden flower bead cap and it's a metal. You can also ask as a head cap or a lotus petal. Up next is the golden beads. There are so many cream beads, spacer beads. Among some, this is a normal golden bead. This is a laurel golden beads for jewelry making, which is used for making bohemian necklace or ethnic chandbali. This is used for connecting jewelry parts, also known as closed jump rings. We get in bigger size and in golden and in silver colors, and we get it with a double layers also. The next is the flat head pins. There are color options like silver, gold and silver gold mixed. So these have a flat or round stopper at one end to stop beads from falling off. You can buy a short flat head pins also. These are known as head or eye pins, which is often used in jewelry making for making charms or earring. Eye pin have a loop at one end already so that they can easily be used as a connector. This is called as flat back earring stud pin. It is a silver, which is used in jewelry making accessories, and it is used in a quilling purpose also. This one is known as bails. There are so many types of bails. So it is made of brass. So you can make any kind of jewelry from this bead, which is used to connect pendants to the chain. These are the French hooks. It is in a silver and in golden color with a bead or ear hook. It's a light gold French hook. This is a golden flat pied earring stud, which you can stick a stone or a crystal rhinestone and wear it for any occasion. Up to the next, it's a lobster claw clasp, which is used to hold and are often used for necklace, keychains. This is a small stone chain. 1 meter of a stone chain is more than enough to make a set. And a ball chain, which can be used for a silk thread jhumki making. These are some of the decorative beads which is available in different shapes, colors. These are the beautiful antique pieces. This is a golden oxidized pendant which gives an antique look. These are all antique pendants. This is an antique silver pendant. These are 3-hole spacers. This is a small, beautiful antique leaf spacers. These are the antique bales. Coming to the silk thread jewelry making, these are the molds used for making silk thread earrings. It is available in n number of shapes and having different names too. This is a Taj Mahal mold. Here have done a half. And the fabric glue is a must. And the silk threads, golden color with the 4 other threads. We have heard about the quilling papers. By using this, we can make an earring. It is also of different variety of colors, also referred as quilling stripe. Usually people prefer for making an earring using the plain sheet. So instead of that, we can use a canvas sheet for making a stud, earring or a silk thread. It gives a stiffness. At last, we are having a plastic fishing line wire for jewelry making, beading and bracelet making. You can stretch it. As everyone will be knowing, this is a stretchy elastic cord round for beading, necklaces, bracelet, etc. Finally, and it's done. I hope all of you liked the video and enjoyed it. So please like the video. You can give the feedback in the comment section. And at last, subscribe to my channel, Girishma's Wholesome Ideas. So keep watching for more vlog videos, DIY videos and for cooking videos. And I will be coming with an interesting topic in my next video. Thank you for watching.